Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this session, we will inshallah cover chapter 3. Allah is all-knowing, all-seeing. And in Arabic, these two names are Al-Alim, Al-Basir. Al-Alim, all-knowing, Al-Basir, all-seeing. These are two more of his names. We already know the creator, Al-Khaliq, and now we have all-knowing, Al-Alim, all-seeing, Al-Basir. So Allah knows everything and He sees everything. Allah is all-knowing. Allah knows what is in the heavens. He knows the secrets and what is more deeply hidden. He knows what is in our hearts. He is the creator. How should He not know? He knows what is in the 7 heavens and what is between them and what is beneath them. He knows what is beneath the surface of the land. He knows what is in the depths of the ocean. He knows the point of growth of every tree and every tree that grows. He knows the place where every leaf will fall and all the grains of sand. He knows the weight of all the mountains. He knows the measures of all the oceans. He knows the actions of His servants and their secret thoughts. So Allah has created everything and He knows everything about everything which He has created. So He is all-knowing. He knows the breaths they breathe and the words they speak. He knows everything. Nothing of this is hidden from Him. So whenever we do anything or think anything or say anything, Allah knows this. Allah knows what is in our hearts. He knows our secrets. Allah knows what we do in the day. He knows what we do at night. Allah's knowledge covers everything. So we cannot keep anything from Allah, and we must always remember this in everything we do and say. We must behave good because Allah knows when we are bad. And He is always there. He always knows. Allah is all-seeing. He sees the things we do. Allah sees His servants. He sees the things they do. He is aware of everything. So Allah sees everything and Allah knows everything. We cannot keep anything from Him. There is no secrets that we can bring. So we can't do something bad and think He does not know. And when we do something good, He knows that as well. Exercises for chapter 3. A is to read the following passage and then answer the questions that will follow. So the passage. One morning, Grandfather Salman called his 4 grandchildren over. He gave them a date each and asked them to eat it where no one would be able to see them. After a half hour, they returned. He asked them one by one if they had found a good hiding place to eat their dates. All except Ahmed said, no. Someone said he had hidden behind the sofa, the other behind the curtain, and another under the bed. When Grandfather asked Ahmed why he had not eaten the date, he said that he could not find any place where he could hide from Allah. Grandfather was pleased with Ahmed and gave him another date to enjoy. And the questions. Where would you have it hidden to eat the date? So as Ahmed said, Allah can always see you, so where can you hide to eat the date where no one can see you? So, you might think of some places, but everywhere you think of, always remember, Allah can see me. Allah can see me. No one else may be able to see you, but Allah will see you. Question number 2. Ahmed did not eat his date. Why? So Ahmed did not eat his date because he couldn't find anywhere where he would not be seen by Allah. So his grandfather had said, go eat the date where no one can see you. But there is nowhere where Allah cannot see you. So that is why Ahmed did not eat his date. So what do you learn about Allah from this story? Well, from this story we learn that There is nowhere where Allah cannot see us. Allah is all-seeing, al-Basir. He sees and knows everything. So that's the important lesson to take away. And if we remember that, we will do the right thing, we will behave well, and Allah, inshallah, will reward us for being proper and good Muslims. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Allah knows what is in our hearts. He knows all the grains of sand. Nothing is hidden from him. Nothing is secret from him. Allah knows everything and he sees everything. Al-Alim, Al-Basir. And that is the end of chapter 3. So inshallah, in the next session, we will look at chapter 4. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.